On the study guide for the video, on page 10, it has several questions that I'd like to go over. Number 1 says, describe the characteristic shape of a normal curve. The answer here is a mound-shaped and symmetric, or bell-shaped. Number 2, how can you spot the mean of a normal curve? The mean should be at the line of symmetry, or the highest point of the curve. Number 3, if one normal curve is low and spread out, and another is tall and skinny, which curve has a larger standard deviation? That would be the curve that is low and spread out. Number 4, focus on the distribution of arrival times for the Eastern Towhee for years 1 and 33. Has the mean arrival date in year 33 increased, decreased, or remained the same as the mean in year 1? The mean arrival time for year 33 appears to have decreased or shifted to an earlier date compared to that of the mean for year 1. On page 13 of the study guide, there are 4 normal curves that each have a different mean and a different standard deviation. Down below those, there are 4 different options for matching the histograms with the stated mean and the standard deviation. I'd like to match those now. The letter I says the mean is 4 and the standard deviation is 1. The bottom right bell curve has a mean of 4 and standard deviations of 1. Number 2 down below, it has a mean of 15 and a standard deviation of 3. That would be picture A. Mean of 15, and we can see that the standard deviation is 3. Number 3, the mean is 4 and the standard deviation is 0.5. That's picture C. Here our mean is 4, and we're counting either down by 0.5 or up by 0.5. Our next one has a mean of 5 and a standard deviation of 2. So we have a mean of 5 and a standard deviation of 2.